What if the most expensive looking piece in your home was the one you made yourself? Discover the soul-soothing magic of crimson and gold Venetian art. Welcome to a world where time slows down. Today, we aren't just decorating a surface, we are creating a masterpiece that will make your heart beat faster. This is luxurious DIY art, Venetian plaster and gold leaf painting. Let's start with comfort and clarity. Forget everything you know about construction dust and mess. Our materials are entirely water-based. The scent? It's just like fresh paint. No toxic fumes. We are creating art exactly where we relax and live. Cover your table with a light film or even just a newspaper. Have your favorite cup of coffee nearby. Our journey begins with a quartz primer. Think of it as the foundation of your dreams. It creates the perfect grip for our magic paste to hold on to the canvas or wood. Let this primer rest for 4 to 6 hours. This is your time to dream and visualize your composition. Now for the most exciting part. We are using an acrylic-based Venetian plaster. It's the ideal choice for creativity. It's forgiving. It dries slowly, giving you the freedom to find your own creative rhythm. Apply it layer by layer, and don't be afraid to take your time. You can blend and model your design for an entire hour. The secret is to work in one beautiful flow to keep the surface fresh. But even if a stroke isn't perfect, don't worry, this is abstract art. There are no mistakes here, only unique turns in your story. We can always refine it later with a little sanding. Now we practice the art of patience. If your layers are thick, about 4 to 6 millimeters, the painting needs at least 8 hours to dry. This is a quiet time when the materials merge together, preparing to reveal that incredible depth that no other finish in the world can match. The final touch, the birth of the mirror. In the video, you see me using a power sander and a professional grinder for both sanding and polishing to achieve that high-end professional look quickly and efficiently. But if you're working at home and you don't have these tools, or perhaps you've never used them before or feel a bit intimidated, it's not a problem at all. We can also sand the surface by hand, carefully and without any extra dust. If you need to level the surface significantly, start with 180 grit sandpaper. But keep the scratches in mind. Starting with 400 is often the better choice. As the form emerges, we bring in the light. We are using Japanese mirror leaf. It transforms a simple surface into a piece of fine jewelry. Apply it gently to the areas you want to highlight, creating those precious golden veins. And now the master secret: hand polishing without any power tools. First, go over the surface with a small spatula, pressing it down and moving it back and forth. Then, take a Mirka Abralon sanding disc, 600 or 1000 grit. First, break in the sharp abrasive by rubbing it against a tile or a stone. Make the disc bald. Only a worn-in disc like this will allow you to reach that perfect gloss effortlessly. Simply apply pressure and begin polishing by hand with circular motions. I promise you will see the magic happen. At the end, just a little bit of Venetian plaster wax and a soft cloth. No lacquer, only wax preserves the living depth of the Venetian stone. Look closer. You have created a masterpiece with your own hands, and that is priceless. Here it is, the result. Flawless perfection. This is no longer plaster. This is art therapy. Contemporary abstract art. Every line is unique, just like your soul. DIY luxury art is your path to an inspiring home. Give it a try. Create your own magic. I'm here to help you every step of the way.